Hi team, welcome back to Easy Adapted PE. Sarah here, your Adapted PE veteran teacher. Here today I'm going to talk to you guys about about the rules in Adapted Phys Ed and how to implement them, right? Chat about that, and I'm going to leave you a little printable freebie at the bottom so that if you're interested in the similar rules that I use, you can go ahead, print them out, laminate them, and they will be ready to go for you. So one of the biggest things if we're going to start is we don't want a really long lecture. They're gonna lose interest, and I think that goes for all kids, whether it's adaptive phys ed or general phys ed, like any kid, adults even sometimes. Like, we lose focus so quickly these days. So you want to keep it really short, really simple, and to the point. And I have a couple up here: hands to self, I have listen, and I have quiet. So those are the three that I sometimes use, but really you just want to use the rules whatever rules that you want to implement in your classroom, right? You want to make those a visual card. You can make larger cards just to put on the gym wall or your whiteboard or wherever it is, maybe as the kids are walking in, and just do a little reminder. Here are the 3 or 4 things that we're going to do in PE. It's something you can put into your social story about keeping your hands to ourselves and listening to our teacher. So whenever you have that time, that circle time in those non-integrated classes, and you want to go over those rules, that's something you could integrate there as well. So they see him coming in, they hear it again at story time, at circle time. And then again, if they need that reminder, you have the posters on the wall, or maybe you have individual schedules, and that's kind of on their individual schedule depending on, the needs of that student. So you're definitely going to want to incorporate that. The second thing that I like to do is to act it out, which I know seems a little bit silly, and you have to be careful depending on the makeup of your students and their unique needs. And model the right way to do it. You could model the wrong way. You could, and you can make it silly and have a smile on your face and all those things. That gets tricky depending on how the kids are going to take it and how much sass you have in that group. But it could be really fun and funny, but you could also just stick to, like, this is the way we do it. This is the way we want to see. We're going to model the right way to do it. That's definitely up to you and how flexible you are as a teacher. I would love to hear about what your number one rule is in PE. How do you set up rules? When do you talk to the kids about it? How often? Do you find yourself having to talk more about this, like after holidays or breaks? I really love to hear it, so go ahead and throw that in the comments. You have my printables down in the comments as well, so they're free, so you can print them out, laminate them, and I will see you guys next time. All right, bye-bye.